Meaning of gruelling.
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 Grueling. Grueling means extremely tiring and demanding, requiring a lot of effort and stamina to complete. It can refer to physical tasks, mental challenges, or even emotional experiences that are immensely difficult to endure. When something is described as grueling, it usually implies that it is a significant test of one's abilities and resilience, potentially leaving the person feeling drained or exhausted. Such experiences may be seen as character building, helping individuals develop greater strength and endurance. Overall, grueling conveys a sense of immense difficulty and strenuousness that must be overcome through perseverance and fortitude.